हम सब जानते हैं कि मनुष्य ही इस धरती पर ऐसा प्राणी है जिसको कुदरत ने भाषा के माध्यम से अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त करने के लिए सशक्त बनाया है। फॉर हिम लैंग्वेज इज द ओनली मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। सो हाउ यू कैन improve your language can enable you to develop your personality. I am Gyanendra Sharma and I am going to take up the topic of today's discussion, how you can improve your English. First of all, you must know what is a language. Language is a system of conventional spoken, manual or written symbols by means of which human beings as members of a special group and participants in its culture express themselves. भाषा वह साधन है जिसके द्वारा मनुष्य बोलकर, सुनकर, लिखकर व पढ़कर अपने मन के भावों या विचारों का आदान प्रदान करता है। Now specifically, we should talk about English improvement. But there is a science of learning for each and every language, and that science and the rules related to learning of a language are almost same. One cannot learn English sitting in the classroom and studying tricky grammar. In fact, we English language teachers give you practical hints and tips to improve your language besides teaching text and grammar. Just sitting in the classroom or reading the course books cannot improve your language. Language improvement requires continuous, unending involvement. What I would suggest is, if you really want to become a fluent English speaker, make it your hobby, your passion. As we know, hobby is an activity done regularly in one's leisure time for pleasure. And when we do anything for pleasure, it becomes interesting for us. And when it becomes interesting, we become more keen and eager to improve ourselves, learn more. So more pleasure, more involvement, more information and learning. Put that sincere efforts in achieving proficiency in improving English, which you put while learning the functions of your recently purchased new Android mobile phone. The suggestions given here by me may help you to some extent in achieving your target of English improvement, but it is up to you to work hard to achieve that target. If you don't work hard, you will not succeed in learning this language. Just keep it in mind that learning a language becomes an asset when we command it. So one can devise his or her own techniques also to improve the language. Now let us start with the tips. It is listening that trains your brain to write, speak and understand. सुनकर भाषा का विकास एक आवश्यक, प्राथमिक और मौलिक प्रक्रिया है. So what you have to do is watch and listen to English speaking Indians on television and radio. Focus on the sound or the phonology of the language you are interested in learning. Phonology is the study of the basic sounds and speech patterns of a language. And as far as English is concerned, the English language is full of words and sounds borrowed from other languages, giving it a mixture of sound patterns. We must remember that this is the language which is spoken by almost half of the population of the world. That is why it has included so many foreign languages words. So for example, I am going to tell you about certain words which are quite popular among us. And the origin of this word is not English, but from different parts of countries, different languages, these words have been taken. For example, pizza has Italian origin, academy Greek origin, tobacco Spanish origin, robot Czech origin, kidnap Danish origin, lottery Dutch, mammoth Russian and data Latin. These words are part and parcel of our language. But when we come to know about their origin, we are surprised. We should not be surprised, but we should try to understand the broadness of English language around the world. Listening is more beneficial than watching someone speaking because the visuals may distract us. You can also listen to English sources on the internet. Listen carefully and try to understand the meaning of what you are listening. Next, read as much as you can. Reading plays a vital role in improving your language. It is the most important feature of learning a second language. Reading is actually a gateway to perfection. Newspaper reading not only enriches and develops your language but also gives information regarding current international national affairs to discuss with the people around you. Next, translate everything around you in English. Means you should just transform your atmosphere in the language you are trying to learn. This is a quick and easy way to improve your vocabulary. All you need to do is make a list of anything you see around you, find English translation for each of them, note them and use them frequently. Thus the words will be embedded to your memory. Develop your own vocabulary. Vocabulary plays a very important role in language learning. Whenever you learn a new word, whether in the classroom or anywhere, make a note of it and practice what you have learned. You can even do this on your phone. You need not carry around a notebook with you. Fifth point is surround yourself with English speaking people. If you try to befriend other English speakers, you will be forced into speaking English language that you are unlikely to learn in the classroom. If you struggle to find English speakers, at least try it alone. मतलब यदि आपको वातावरण नहीं मिलता, लोग नहीं मिलते हैं इंग्लिश जानने वाले, इंग्लिश सुनने वाले, तो आप अकेले प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ, वी आर लिविंग इन द टाइम और एज ऑफ mobile phones where you can find everything you want. Figure out the suitable time of the day for learning. This is most important, not only for learning a language but in the field of your study. It is the time. Suitable time means it is the time when your brain is at its sharpest best. You should practice your language learning at this time. Some people work best first thing in the morning and some at late hours in the night. Think about the time when you can work efficiently and plan accordingly. Record, listen, and correct. Read aloud and record your voice on your smartphone and practice pronunciations. This is a good way of learning pronunciation because you might know it when you first hear it, but you may forget it later. Go on practicing pronunciation again and again till you become master of pronunciation of a certain word. It is good to learn bilingually. मातृभाषा का प्रयोग करके भावों को समझना. सामान्यतः ये एक प्रचलित व्यवस्था है कि if you want to learn English, you should learn it through English only. You will learn the language mechanically, but you will not understand the emotion of the language. So bilingual dictionary is your best friend while you are learning English. But beware that a lot of dictionaries are there in with numerous mistakes and mistranslations. Do some research and purchase the best dictionary. Do not use translating apps. They may confuse you with faulty translations. Learn proverbs and idioms, etc. If you manage to learn these, then you will find it much easier to talk and understand conversations with the native speakers. Idioms and phrasal verbs are extremely common in everyday English conversation. Although this is not the kind of language you are likely to use in an academic essay, it is arguably just as important to you. Writing every day. Write every day. Writing is very important. Writing is a great way of using new vocabulary and getting your head around grammar. Try and write something every day using new words and grammar that you have learned. Even if it is only a few sentences, it is very important to get into the habit of doing this. If you have access to English speaking friends or teacher, you could ask them to look over your writing and give you some pointers. Mistakes. One should never be mistakes in life. One should never be afraid of mistakes in life. You'll make mistakes. One cannot avoid it. Chances are that you will make the same mistakes over and over again. Next time that you are corrected by a teacher, whether this is written or orally, you should make a note of your mistakes. Perhaps you forget when to use the correct article or preposition, or you get the past simple and present perfect tenses mixed up. So make a note and work on your mistakes. Put yourself into difficult situations. If you search out situations when you must speak, read, and listen that are outside of your comfort zone, you will be forced into using the English language. This can be one of the best ways to learn English because you really focus on what you are saying and it gets you used to comfortable situations. Try and order some food at a restaurant, speak to someone at a tourist information center, or just start chatting to a native speaker in a hotel. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Getting something wrong is actually a great way to understanding why it works a certain way. Grammar. Many people find grammar a bore because it reminds them of the school classroom, but understanding grammar will in some way free you from its grip, making you a master of words rather than keeping you as their slave. Lastly, slow and steady wins the race. The very famous proverb, खरगोश और कछुए की कहानी सबने सुनी है और किस तरह से कछुआ खरगोश को हरा देता है. In the same manner, all these proverbs are important in our life whenever we start anything new or whenever we accept any challenge. So in learning English language, it is extremely common for language learners to want to improve their English at an unrealistic pace. Remember, learning requires patience. Your teacher or guide can help and practice with you for a period of time in a day, but it is your job to remember and correctly use what you are taught. It is no way possible that you just turn up to class for a few weeks or a month and be able to speak the language. You must have to engage in lots of work after and before the class and use your brain as much as possible. I again remind you that language learning is a condition and an unending hard-working process. Thank you very much.